Welcome. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at this LIFEGOO 40-in-1 ratcheting screwdriver set. So this was provided to me by the distributor, but they're not compensating me for this video and they're not reviewing it before I post it. If you find this video helpful and you want to purchase one of these, I'll put a link to it in the description, and if you use that link, it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost anything extra. So let's get this open. So it comes in this case. Let's get it open. So the manual is printed on the lid, so it has a number of different configurations. It has power grip, high torque, compact ratchet, and long reach. On the right here, it lists the bits that come with it and has some sample applications of what you can use them for. So let's look at the set itself. So we have this T-handle ratcheting screwdriver, but it's configurable. And then we have a bunch of short bits and we have 6 long bits. It also has a magnetizer. One nice feature of this set is that the bits are color-coded, so it can help you visually identify which bits are which. So you can see the torques here have orange, the hex have blue, the straight are green. So if you're looking for a certain type of bit, those colors can help you differentiate between the bits. So let's pull this out. So this is made of steel, and it has these 3 parts, and they're all the same. So they come out. And these can be configured in different ways. So we had the T-handle configuration. You can also turn this into just like a ratcheting screwdriver. And with this, you could put more handles on it. We can take it off and just use this as a small screwdriver. And this can also be used similar to a traditional screwdriver, like so. So let's go ahead and put a bit in. This is a number 2 Phillips. It's a very common size. We can place that in there. So this would be like a traditional screwdriver. And pull this out and place it in here. Here we have a ratcheting screwdriver. So to reverse it, you just take it off and switch it to the other side. So this would be for tightening. And this would be for loosening. And this feels very solid, feels very nice. You could even just take this off and use this as a small screwdriver. So this comes with a variety of bits, including security Torx bits. Now I just wanted to take a look on my bench here. Let me get some things to test this on. Okay, so here I have a PC. So I'm going to get the number 2 Phillips. I'll just use this in the long mode. So we can take these 2 screws out. It's very easy. So I can remove this case cover. Now I can tighten it back down. Let's go ahead and switch the orientation. Now, I'm holding this while I'm ratcheting to give it enough friction. I'll show you on the other side. So this needs a little more friction, so I'll hold this here. And I can tighten that down. So that's a standard number 2 Phillips application. Here I have a bicycle. So if I want to take this bottle cage off, this is not going to fit in here super well. So I can take this off and just mount it down like that. So it's much more compact. And now I can loosen this up. Now I do need some friction here. I could even probably mount this on the back side. So now I could take that bolt all the way out. Now if I want to tighten it, I'll just reverse it. And I can tighten that back up. Of course, I could also just turn this into like a ratcheting screwdriver like this and do the same thing. Now for a place like this bottom bolt where I don't have a lot of room, I can just shorten this up and use it to loosen it. And then I can just take this off and use this as is. So then we have a really small screwdriver. Of course, I can do the same thing to tighten it down. Like so. So that's the LIFEGOO 40-in-1 ratcheting screwdriver set. Now this set comes with a nice case, so you can put this in the back of your car, truck, or store it in your office. It takes up very little room, and the ratcheting screwdriver has a lot of versatility. Has a number of different modes you can use it with, so if you really need to wrench down on something, you can grab this and get a lot of torque out of it. Since it ratchets, you can get into tight spaces and tighten things up. If you want to go stubby, you can do that. Now it comes with a variety of bits, including Phillips straight, hex, security torques, but these are 1/4 inch bits, so you can use your own bits with this also. I really like the fit and finish on this. It feels very nice in the hand, and I think this would make a nice addition to anyone's toolkit. So if you're looking for a compact ratcheting screwdriver, I think this is a great option. So that's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.